everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Robin. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Robin Goldberg. I'm a nutritionist with Robin Goldberg Nutrition and Wellness. I do one-on-one nutritional consultations as well as group presentations. I also wrote a cookbook called Hidden Veggies. It is easy, fun, delicious recipes, all with hidden veggies. For more information about me or to find my cookbook, go to my website, robingoldbergnutrition.com. Today, we're gonna be making one of the recipes from my blog. This is one of my favorite recipes, so easy, so delicious, super quick. We are making chocolate chip cookies. Who does not love a good chocolate chip cookie? I mean, come on, what is better? And the secret ingredient about these are actually really healthy and they are full of excellent protein. So these really can be for breakfast, they can be for snacks, they can be as dessert, whatever you want. They are really, really delicious, super easy, super good, chock full of protein. So let's go ahead and get started. This one's really easy. So what we're gonna need is 1 can of chickpeas. So I've actually already rinsed and drained. Little trick about the chickpeas, you can save that liquid from the chickpeas. That's called aquafaba. And you can, with a hand mixer, mix it up and make meringues. You can use it as an egg white substitute in baking. It's a vegan substitute for eggs. So really cool thing to do. I already saved mine over there when I drained my chickpeas. So 1 can of chickpeas, super easy. We're gonna do, I've already measured everything. So we're gonna do a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. You can use any kind of nut butter you want. You prefer almond butter, you can use almond butter. If you want to make it peanut free, use sunflower butter. But I am using peanut butter today because I just love peanut butter. Really good source of protein and some good healthy fats. So I'm gonna add in my peanut butter right here. And now we have a 1/3 cup of honey. Again, I already measured this out. You can also use maple syrup if you prefer, or you can use brown sugar. All would be really good, delicious options. I'm using honey. I just like the flavor of the honey and the peanut butter together. It's good sweetener, good all natural sweetener. So I'm using honey, but again, feel free to use it maple syrup if you want to make this vegan or brown sugar. Okay, so next, those are all of our main ingredients. So again, super, super easy. So now we're going to use some baking powder. We're going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Throw that in. We are going to do a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Whoops, getting baking soda everywhere. Throw that in as well. And we are going to add some cinnamon. I think cinnamon adds like a really nice flavor as well. So we're gonna add in a teaspoon of cinnamon. Who doesn't love cinnamon and peanut butter together? My thing is too big, so we're gonna do 2 halves. So we'll do a teaspoon of cinnamon. Get that measured in. And then we just need 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Measure this out really quickly. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2. And then we just need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's it. You see how easy that was? So this is the base of the ingredients. We want to put all of this in. We're going to blend it up, and then I'm going to add chocolate chips, which I'll show you later, but you can add nuts to this. If you want to add some dried fruit, you can keep them plain if you want. Whatever you like, whatever fun mix-ins you want to do. Add some M&Ms. I'm going to do chocolate chips. That's what I have, and that's what I love, but add whatever you want. So I'm going to blend this up, and then we will add in our mix-in. All right, so our dough is nice and blended. I don't know if you can see this. We have a nice cookie dough in here. And so this is the point where you can either mix in your mix-ins here, or you can just top them onto your cookie sheet if you want to do it that way as well. I think I'm gonna do it that way. Just go ahead and put them on top. Either way is fine. And I did forget to mention that our oven is preheated. I preheated it to 350 degrees. So you wanna get your oven started, sorry, I forgot to mention that at the beginning, but preheat your oven to 350 degrees. All right, so I'm just gonna scrape all this out because I don't wanna lose any of this delicious batter. And there are no eggs in this, so this can be enjoyed just like this. You can make it like a dip, add some apples or some pretzels or anything, and just make this a fun like cookie dough dip or eat it straight up. But I wanna make mine into cookies. So basically I have my lined baked cookie sheet here, And I'm just going to scoop it out a little bit and make little cookies, little mini cookie balls onto my tray here. And we'll flatten them out a little bit. You need to pretty much flatten them to how you want. They're not going to spread very much in the oven. So if you want them to be a little bit flatter, you can go ahead and do that. I like mine to be a little bit thick. However you prefer your cookies. If you want them to be a little bit crunchier, make them a little bit flatter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop my cookies all the way onto my, all the way out through my cookie sheet. All right, so as you can see, now our cookies are all out onto our baking sheet, and I am just adding the chocolate chips right on top and kind of flattening the cookies out a little bit. Again, you could have mixed these chocolate chips in earlier. I just kind of like the way they look sitting on top. You can, again, use nuts, you can use dried fruit, you can use really any kind of thing that you like in your cookies. You can use some blueberries would be good, throw in some apple chunks, anything you like, but I'm very partial to chocolate, so I'm just adding in some chocolate chips into my cookies. And again, these are peanut butter and chickpeas and honey. So really, really simple, very clean ingredients, very easy ingredients, very few ingredients, and lots of good protein, healthy fats, good source of carbohydrates. These are a great protein snack for after a good workout, a great breakfast, somewhat to start your day, a good snack, really just all around delicious anytime. All right, so our cookies are now all ready. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. So I'm just gonna place these in for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll wanna look and see when they start to get brown. Again, everything is cooked, so you know, it's really at this point how hard you like your cookies. I like mine to bake a little bit soft, so I'm gonna probably do about 20 minutes, depending on how thick they are, but if you wanna be a little bit crunchier, just stick them in for a little bit longer. But keep an eye on them after about 20 minutes and make sure they don't brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick them in the oven and set my alarm. All right, our cookies are ready. They're out of the oven. I ended up doing about 23 minutes, but look at how delicious these look. They came out so great, so nice and brown. Look at those chocolate chips, nice and gooey in the center. Look at that. So good. These cookies are delicious. I promise you will love them. You won't even know they were made of chickpeas. Again, they're a great source of protein, really good snack, really good dessert. Really have them anytime you want. Feel good about eating these. So delicious. Let me know if you like them. I hope you enjoy. Again, thank you for watching. If you want to find out more information about me, to find my cookbook, or to find this full recipe, it is on my blog. Go to robingoldbergnutrition.com. Again, thanks for watching. Enjoy.